Well, today in our kitchen garden, I wanted to show you one of the plants that we're growing for its edible flowers. And that is borage. We look down here, we have one that is actually blooming right now. Now, borage is an annual, however, it does reseed itself quite well. So once you've got it started in your garden, it will come back every year. In fact, it can get kind of weedy, so you'll have to work at weeding those out. Now, borage actually grows to be about 2 feet tall. Ours is blooming a little shorter because we started it early in the greenhouse. However, you can direct seed it straight out in your garden as soon as all the possibility of frost is past. Now, it actually has very nice, kind of a grayish green leaf on it with hair. They're actually kind of spiny hairs on it. And if you look, the stem also has spiny hairs as well, and this is kind of a nice texture in the garden. Now, you can eat both the leaves and the stem, but you can also eat the flowers, which is what we're focusing on. Now, the entire plant has kind of a cucumbery taste, and the flowers actually are a slightly cucumbery sweet taste, which work well in sauces and also to decorate things like if you have cucumber dip or cold soups. It works very well. You can also candy the flowers, and they really are pretty. You've got this blue star-shaped flower here, and you just lift it off and leave the calyx behind, and it makes a very nice decoration for your salads, plates, stews, or dips. Now, borage actually likes to be planted in a sunny area. It will take a little bit of shade, and it's not too picky about the soil that it's planted in. However, if you amend your soil with a lot of organic matter and it's fairly rich, your borage will definitely reward you for that because it will grow a lot bigger. Now, this is good for a wildflower type garden, your herb garden, or your kitchen garden. It's probably not a good plant for a very formal garden because it can get kind of tall and unruly, but it makes a very nice edible flower.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.